Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office just wrapping up a news conference from Valrico to update about some of the serious damage around the county and the relief efforts happening. Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody was there, and she warned about people about being on the roads unnecessarily. And she says you do need to have patience when you do finally find gas.
When you are in an affected area and it is dark outside, there is no electricity, you can see where we are right now, the street lights do not work. It is an incredibly dangerous time to be on the roads. So if you are in one of those areas and you don't need to be out, please stay off the roads because it took some time to get those ports up going and the gas out. We have gas, it will get there, we have the right supplies, we're getting back online, but please have patience at those gas stations.
Again, more power as it's being restored. That means more gas stations are going to have gas.